Okay, you guys. Oh man, today I went to Target. I finally have my hands on a 124 scale Spin Master Monster Jam Sparkle Smash, guys. I never got the original release, but I'm glad Spin Master released it again for 2025. There's Sparkle Smash, guys. She looks way better and big. There's a back. There's a BKT Sparkle Smash, the Gravedigger Red Primer, which I need to get again. Dragon, I don't need it. It's just different colors. So yeah. Without further ado, let's go and open it. I already took off the rubber bands, so I'll struggle to take this out. Oh, there she is, guys. Okay. Oh, okay, that is nice. And put the light. There's light in here, but let me just put the light. The paint is like really beautiful. Like I love the sparkle it has. It has a baby blue roll cage, like a dark pink motor insert, dark purple rims and beadlocks, black tires, the Sparkle Smashing Monster Jam logo, the teeth of her, and then her horn. Really cool. I love the casting on this one. I can grab it like that. That's cool. Sparkle Smash, guys. A little tail. Guys, I'm glad I have her finally after how many years. So, like, subscribe, comment, share, account, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.